Good morning. I'd like to inquire about the status of my order.
Good morning. Thank you for reaching out. May I have your order number, please?
Sure, it's number 12345.
Thank you. I'll check that for you. Just a moment, please. It appears that we've received your order, and it's currently in transit. You should receive it by the end of the week. We require a comprehensive report on the project's progress by the end of the week.
Understood. Are there any specific metrics or details you'd like us to include?
Yes, please ensure the report covers milestones achieved, any obstacles encountered, and projections for the next phase.
I'd like to discuss the upcoming marketing campaign strategy.
Of course. When would be a good time for you to meet?
How about tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock? Does that work for you?
That works for me. Let's discuss it then. I've been trying to contact the client regarding their feedback on the prototype, but I haven't received a response.
Have you tried reaching out via email and phone?
Yes, I've sent multiple emails and left voicemails, but there's been no reply.
All right, I'll try contacting them directly. We need their input to proceed with the project.
As we near the deadline, we need to ensure all tasks are completed according to schedule.
Agreed. I'll review the task list and allocate resources accordingly to ensure timely completion.